In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook ads to boost a video with proper targeting. 5 minutes. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. This takes you into Meta Business Suite where you can manage posts and ads for your page in one place. Make sure you're in the correct business account and have the right page selected before you start. Next, click Create Post. This opens the Post Composer. We're setting up a video post first because boosting works best when the content is clean, complete, and optimized. Click Add Video, then choose Upload from Desktop. Select your video file from your computer. While it uploads, keep in mind a few best practices. Prioritize a mobile-friendly format. Aim for a strong hook in the first 3 seconds, and use captions since many people watch without sound. Shorter videos often earn cheaper views, but go with the length that delivers your message clearly. Once the file is in, add a clear, compelling title, lead with the benefit or outcome, and front-load keywords your audience cares about. Think concise and specific so it's scannable in feeds. Now add details in the caption, include a simple call to action, what you want viewers to do next, and any key context that helps them understand the value right away. Keep the first sentence punchy to capture attention and avoid jargon. If you have links, use clean URLs and keep them to one primary action to reduce friction. Choose a thumbnail. This image heavily influences whether people stop and watch. Pick a frame with a face, motion, or contrast, or upload a custom thumbnail that's on brand and easy to read on mobile. Avoid cluttered text and make sure the subject is centered so it doesn't get cropped in different placements. Add tags relevant to your topic, brand, product, and industry. Tags help Facebook understand your content, which can improve delivery and suggested placements later. Be precise, quality over quantity. Click next, review the settings, and click next again to confirm. Double check the page, the video, the caption, and the thumbnail. When everything looks good, click share to publish the post. After the post is live, you'll be ready to boost it. For proper targeting, align your audience with the video's promise. Set a clear objective. Define locations and age ranges that match your buyers, and use interest or custom audiences built from your website traffic or past engagers. Start with a modest budget, test a couple of audiences, and let performance guide your scaling. That's it, your video is ready to be boosted with the right foundation for effective targeting.